going to discuss about a very beautiful remedy, one of my favorite remedies, which is carcinosin. To start with carcinosin, I would just like you all to understand one thing. Whenever you will think about carcinosin, you think about two things. One is beauty and other is perfection. So when you have a combination of two things in a person, in a male or a female, she's a very beautiful woman. She is very graceful and she is very elegant. Her dressing sense is very beautiful. Her color ka taste is very nice. And along with that, she has a perfection. Her work is very perfect. Her attitude is very perfect. She is very fastidious. If she is a student, she's a very good student. If she is a daughter, she's a very good daughter. If she is a mother, she's a very good mother. If she's a caretaker, she'll be a very good caretaker. Whatever she tries to do will be up to the mark of perfection, or she will try to reach the perfection. Okay, so these people, carcinosins, I usually imagine them as Cinderellas. Cinderellas. Whenever you think of Cinderella, what comes? Two things: her beautiful gown, the way she looks, the way she is elegant, and the way she is very soft. So, carcinosin are very soft people. They are mostly not very egoistic, or they do not express their ego. They are a bit submissive people. They're very submissive, they're very passive, they would like to support others. Okay, if they become leaders, they will be a very elegant, very supportive, and very understanding leaders. So, mostly they are very mild, yielding, they are not much egoistic, and the sensitivity of carcinosin is whenever they are pointed out towards their mistake, if they do a mistake and someone points out towards it, they become very sensitive and hurtful. The reason behind is they try to achieve the perfection, and whenever they are not able to achieve the perfection, or whenever they are reprimanded for not being proper, they get upset. So most of the children, you will observe that the mother will say today she got scolded from the school, from her teacher, and she fell sick. Think of carcinosin, think of staphysagra. You have to think about staphysagra in this case where the child is feeling indignant. Like, why did she shout at me in front of everyone? Then you think of staph, and you have to think of carcinosin where she will say, Doctor, I did everything. I completed my homework, I did it nicely. Still, my teacher pointed out mistakes. What is my mistake in that? Whenever she will speak like that, think about carcinosin. They are very sensitive to reprimands. Usually, carcinosin patients will come with a long history of domination. The complaint starts specifically with two things. One, they are reprimanded, and second, they are dominated. As these people can easily be dominated, they tend to get dominated easily. Either her husband is very dominating, her father is very dominating, her mother is very dominating, her husband is very dominating. There is a strong dominating effect on her. Domination could be anything, it could be direct or indirect. So, whenever they feel dominated, they will not rebel towards domination. Rather, these patients, carcinosin, will try to mold themselves. They'll try to adjust into that environment. And due to continued adjustment, continued getting molded into the environment, they may begin with the pathology. Okay, so whenever you have a strong history of domination, think of carcinosin cases. They are animal lovers, going into nature, looking at animals, feeding birds, feeding dogs. They love doing those things because they feel they are not vocal and animals are also not vocal. So they try to connect with those animals. Basically, they love nature. They have a strong desire for chocolates. Whenever you see carcinosin, you will experience their desire for chocolate is so extreme. They can eat 5 to 6 bars of Cadbury in a day. This is the desire for chocolates and what do you call ice creams in them. So these people, when you look into the interest of carcinosin cases, you will see they are usually interested in artistic things like drawing, art, music. They could be very good dancers. Dancing relaxes them. Dancing is a way how they can express themselves. It is very difficult for carcinosin to express themselves, but dancing is the only way how they can express themselves. So whenever they are dancing, they try to express. Whenever they will make an art, they'll make a portrait, they'll try to express their inner feelings. This is how they can express. They're very precautious, very shy people. When she, even if she's a child, if she's a daughter, she'll take care of the responsibility of the house. She'll take the responsibility of a younger sibling. Even she can take the responsibility of the older sibling. As I said, they are very sensitive to reprimands, and the biggest fear is that they will not be accepted or loved. They cannot bear the thought that they are not accepted and they are not loved. These people are also very sensitive to horrible things. So just imagine, she's a very sensitive lady, she's a very delicate lady, she's a very elegant lady, and she's very sensitive to any bad news. She has a long history of domination. She tries to be perfect, but she's not appreciated for whatever she's doing. She's a very passionate, but she cannot express her passion. Think of carcinosin. Easily they get offended because they're very sensitive to reprimands. So this is in short about carcinosin. Also, you can think about carcinosin in children specifically, where you see a children or a patient has a long history of inflammatory disease. One after the another, they are suffering from some or the other inflammatory disease, and they're not getting better. Also, along with that, if the child is very mild, very precautious, very shy, very elegant, very beautiful, very responsible, sensitive to reprimands, think of carcinosin. It may take care of. The background of carcinosin, if a woman develops cancer, if a woman develops any pathology, and when you see the background of the patient, where there is a long history of unhappiness because of suppression, long history of fright, long history of fear, you should not neglect the remedy carcinosin. So this is in short about carcinosin. I'll come with my more videos and would like to share more insights into some of the beautiful remedies of Armadillo America. Thank you for today. Take care.